Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to mount our Google Drive, our 15 GB free Google Drive on our local system. But before we move to our practical friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, so let's start. As I told you friends, we are going to mount our Google Drive on our local system. Here I have a Ubuntu Gorilla Groovy, okay, which is I have installed on my laptop. The base system, the main system is Gorilla Groovy Ubuntu. You can use this method for mounting Google Drive on Raspberry Pi, also Kali Linux, okay. The same process in any Linux distribution, okay. So let's start. Simply open the terminal, and here we have to run the command sudo space apt install rclone. We are going to use here rclone utility, okay, to mount our Google Drive on local folder. Okay, so simply sudo apt install rclone, it will install rclone. Okay, so enter the sudo password for user, for your user. I have already installed rclone. Okay, so clear the screen. I'm going to clear the screen, and then we are going to run the commands without sudo, no need sudo okay. So rclone config is our first command, rclone space config, then hit enter. Okay, so as you can see I have already one drive. Okay, so the test is the name, test is the connection name, and type is drive. So I am going to remove it, this connection. So removing the connection, you can use here a D for delete remote. So I am going to enter D to delete the remote, and the first connection, I have only one connection, so connection name and the number of connection. So 1 for just entering the number and hit enter. Now it's deleted my the first connection, old one connection. Now I am going to create a new remote connection. So for creating a new remote connection, we have to press here N for new remote. So N, hit enter. Then of course we have to mention the name for our connection. So I am going to mention name again, test is the name. You mention any name. Okay, so test, then hit enter. Then friends, here we have the drives, which we can mount on our local drive. You can mount Dropbox. So Dropbox has a 9 number. Then here it is what our Google Drive. In this session we are going to mount our Google Drive. So Google Drive has 13 number. Okay, as you can see, Google Drive has 13 number, Dropbox has 9 number. So if you want to mount a Dropbox, so you have to mention 9 number, but I have to mount I am going to mount here a Google Drive, our Google Drive, so I want to mention a 13 number. So scroll down, and here we have to mention 13 number, then just hit enter. Then enter a string value. We want to stick with default, so simply press enter for the default. So press enter. Then again Google application client secret, again we have to stick with here default. So simply enter for default. So just hit enter. Then permissions, as you can see, all the permissions scoop. Okay, so number one for full access all files, number 2 for read only, and further is also there. So here we are going to go with 1 because I want to give the full access. So 1, so I am going to mention here 1, then hit enter. Enter a string value, press enter for the default. Again we are going to stick with default, so simply press enter. Again here it is also, as you can see, the default. So simply service account file, simply go with default. So simply we are going to press here enter. Edit advanced config, no, I don't want to edit any advanced config right now, so no for N. So N, then hit enter. Okay, use auto config, yes, we are going to go with auto config. So yes for Y, so simply press Y for yes and just hit enter. Okay, now it says it will automatically open the link with your browser. As you can see, it's open in my Firefox browser. So here we want to sign in with our Gmail ID, the Gmail ID which you want to access with your Google Drive. Okay, so Freedom Tech, I'm going to click on enter, just enter and then password. Okay, next, don't save, then give the permission for the rclone, click on allow, and as you can see, success means we have all the done. Please go back to rclone. Now again open the terminal. Then next, configure this as a team drive. No, we don't want to configure as a team drive. Okay, so simply no for n, so n, enter. Yes, this is okay. Edit this remote or delete this remote. So yes, this is okay. We don't want to edit and we don't want to delete. So yes, this is okay. So y and enter. Now friends, the name is test and type is drive. We have successfully create a remote, okay, test. Now simply quit the config. For Q, for quit the config, so Q, we are quit our config. So we have successfully create our remote connection. So how to check the remote connection? rclone, then list remotes. Okay, this is the command. Hit enter. As you can see, we have only one connection, test. Now we want to mount this connection on our local drive. This is what the main motto of this practical. So simply we are going to create here a new directory. So mkdir, again no need sudo here friends, mkdir space tiddle slash and mention the name of which you want to create. Okay, so directory name I am going to give here my drive. Okay, so my drive is exit, so let's say Freedom Tech and hit enter. So we have created tiddle slash Freedom Tech. Freedom Tech is the directory where we are going to mount our this test connection. Okay, now friends, also we have to give the full permission for this Freedom Tech. So simply run the command chown, sorry, not chown, chmod, sorry friends, chmod 775 and mention the name tiddle slash our directory name which we just created, Freedom Tech. Okay, so create the directory, this is what the name, then give the permission for that chmod space 775 and mention the path of directory tiddle slash Freedom Tech. Okay, now we have our directory with full permission. Now we are going to mount our connection. So rclone, again don't need sudo here, rclone mount, rclone space mount space the connection name, the test is our connection name, as you can see, test, then shift colon, just mention as it is. If when you run this command, okay, so the connection will shows like this way. Simply copy and paste here. Okay, so test, shift colon, then space and our path tiddle slash Freedom Web Tech, Freedom Tech is our folder. So this is what the command for mounting our connection on our local drive, rclone space mount space name of connection, then tiddle slash Freedom Tech is folder, then hit enter. Now open another terminal and run the command df-h, and as you can see, we have successfully mounted our 15 GB Google Drive on our local folder, Freedom Tech. If I go inside the Freedom Tech, okay, ls, and here it is what my test folder which I have on my Google Drive. Okay, so if I open my Google Drive, go to the drive, and here it is, as you can see, I have a already folder, test folder. Okay, now I am going to remove this folder from our terminal. So removing folder, simply run the command, again don't mention sudo, rmrf, folder name test folder. Okay, so we have deleted our folder, there is no folder right now, and if I open here, as you can see, there is no folder. Now we are going to create the folder. So mkdir, let's say test folder 1, hit enter, create the folder, go here, just refresh it, and as you can see we have now our folder. Okay, so how to unmount this drive? Simply just run the command cd and just come back. Okay, then here you have to just press Ctrl C, and it's now unmounted. Ctrl C, press Ctrl C and unmounted. Now if I run the command df-h, as you can see there is no drive. Here it is, whatever drive. Now we have pressed Ctrl C for unmounting, then there is no drive. Okay, then now if you want to remove the folder which we have created for mounting our drive, simply again run the command rm-rf, then space tiddle slash and our folder name. Okay, so our folder name is freedom tech, and just hit enter. We have now deleted our folder. Also, if I run the command here again, where is our command? rcolon list remotes. This is what our connection. Now if we want to remove this connection, again we are going to run the command rclone config, hit enter. As you can see we have one connection. Again delete remote connection, for pressing D, delete it, mention the number 1, enter. Now we have removed or we have deleted our connection. So this is the way you can create or you can mount your Google Drive on your local folder using rclone. I hope you will learn something from this video. We will meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.